morning, guys. So today is Sunday. Don't really have much planned today. The only thing I'm gonna be doing today is cleaning my old wheels because I have somebody that's gonna come buy them. So they're just dirty, so I'm gonna just clean them up for him. And yeah, it's gonna be the last time I'm gonna see these wheels. These wheels really mean a lot to me because I've had them for so long. And you know, I started my channel with these wheels. Everybody knows these wheels. It's been a long journey with these wheels. So I have right here, pretty crazy, right? Civic. You could fit 3 wheels in here. I have the other one inside the car. So I'm gonna take these out, clean them, and yeah, I'm just gonna do probably just a chill vlog in the backyard, cleaning the wheels. Probably just spray some water on the car to get that salt off. And yeah, that's about all, guys. So let's get this chill vlog going. So here are the wheels. They're good. It's just dirty from like the snow, and yeah. So I'm just gonna spray some degreaser, clean them all up, and they should definitely be ready to go. And the buyer is actually a subscriber also, a long time subscriber that's been watching the channel for a while. He's asked me for these wheels like months ago when he knew I was getting wheels. When I told him I was getting new wheels, he told me, you know, as soon as I get new wheels, to let him know. So yeah, I told him right away. Right away he said he's buying them. So let's get these cleaned up for him. So right here we have a little bit of awesome that we're gonna use for the outside of the wheels. And then we have, forgot the name, it's like that purple stuff. I think it's super clean or something like that. My dad has like a whole gallon, so he gave me some of that. So I'm just gonna use this on the outside and this on the inside to get like the grease and whatever is like in the inside of the wheels. So yeah, let's get started. I already sprayed some awesome on it, but I'm just doing just another layer just to get all the grease and all the stuff off of them. Alright, so my face is probably dirty, okay, but these have all been cleaned and degreased. I'm just letting them dry. Currently doing this one. As you can see, all the grease and grime and everything come out of it. This thing works legit great. And I was also using some of this, some of the wheel cleaner also on it, and both of them together work real good. It's all gone now, but yeah, that's pretty much what I did. Then yeah, I'm just gonna wash the car after, and yeah, I think that's about it. Pretty much just like a chill vlog, nothing too much. I just feel like bringing out the camera. So, but yeah, it's beautiful today. As you guys can see, I'm just here chilling. Tomorrow's gonna be like freezing cold again, and it says it's gonna snow at like 4 also. So this weather's bipolar. Can't wait for spring to come already. All right, so wheels are done. I haven't even got to wash the car. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna really do it today because it might snow, so it doesn't kind of really make sense because it's gonna get all dirty and everything again. But The wheels are done. He's on his way right now to pick them up. I told him to come like around 5, but wasn't doing nothing. I was able to clean them quick. So look at that, nice shine. Things like brand new. This has like little curbage and stuff like that, but I paid $500 for these wheels. 300 is not bad at all. These are my babies, man. Right? See about the wheels. Yo.
What's up, bro?
What's going on, bro? So what up to the vlog, bro?
Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up?
You can park right. We can put it in your trunk, right?
Put it all over. Put it inside.
You have stuff in your trunk. I left it in boxes.
Yeah. It'll fit in the car.
I could take the boxes like off if you want. I'll show you. We could come there. See, I put them here and stuff. You could look. I put this on so you could look at them. They're all right here. So I was like, since you said you wasn't gonna put them on right away, I was like, let me just cover them at least so you could just keep them. So you can either leave them in a box, or I feel like without the box it'll probably be easier for you to yeah. You wanna try it without the box?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Let me see. It's like it's just dirty, but and it come out bad for it. That's it's spray can too.
Yeah?
Yeah, all of this was done with spray can. I did it right there in my backyard.
The spray can
You just have to like legit sand good, then primer it good, let it dry good, and just hit it with like but you can't like some people paint and then they paint and just they throw everything on it. You gotta like mist it, then a little bit more, then a little bit more, then the last one you just go heavy on it. And with the clear has like a can and a half, so I went light on it, then I went a little bit lighter, and then the last one I was just like so close, and I was so it give it that like it gives it a good gloss, yeah. So a lot of people don't know it's can, but I'm like I was gonna take it to the guy that painted my car, but he was like $400, but then I had to drop the swap, then I had to trail it over there, then paint it. I was like, you know what, let me just do this myself. It took me a day to do it. Painted everything. I left it dry for like a whole week when nothing touching it. Then the next week, put the swap and I was good to go. Huh?
That's how it's supposed to be.
Nah, yeah, like you can't even tell this is the this looks like legit a single jingle. Like that's crazy.
Sleep.
Nah, this is a sleep on a whole nother wow. Nah, this legit is a sleep. Like, bro, from the outside this looks like a single jingle. Yep. Then you get next to it and you be like, what the fuck is that?
I scare people all the time.
Yo, this is crazy. Like legit, bro. Like this does not look like a K at all. Now I see why you got the front lifter, because the K series OE parents sit mad low on the floor on these.
Go too low.
Yeah. Nah, but still, bro, this is legit, bro. This is legit the ultimate sleeper. Like stock wheels, steelies. Bro, this is crazy. Like you would not even think this is K series, bro. And it was just stock K, right? Now it's not even tuned yet, right?
Nothing.
Nah, this looks, bro. This is the ultimate sleeper.
Small stuff.
Nah, yeah. Nah, this looks good, bro. You cannot even tell, bro. This is like, if I was to be next to this and then like in like a B series and I get smoked by this, I'm like, nah, what you got in there? What that single got in it?
Thank you, Steven, for these wheels. I love the car. It inspires me. Just keep doing what you're doing, bro. Keep it up, man.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. He's gonna come with me to March Madness, so look out for this fucking sleep. Yo, I still cannot believe that this shit is K series. Yo, look at this is the ultimate sleeper right here. Yo, drive safe, bro. Alright, man. Dude, that car is legit the ultimate sleeper, bro. Legit. Like, cannot believe that car is K series. So yeah, so we just talked for about, I don't even know how long, but it was a long time. Just spoke to him about the car, stuff that he could do to it to save a lot of money, make it look good. But he got a lot of plans for that car. I'm pretty sure that car's gonna look real good. But yeah, guys, so thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video is long enough. If not, I'm still gonna put it out. But remember, guys, build to enjoy, and until next time, peace. What's going on, guys? So right before I close the video, this is a couple days after, I just got the email back from March Madness. They gave me the location, so I don't know how exactly they're doing it. Some people tell me that it's only gonna be like invite only. I'm not too sure. I know that's not gonna be possible because people are gonna be giving out the address. So like I was saying last video about doing the meetup, a couple of people have hit me up. Please, if you would like to join the meetup and be a part of it, just let me know down below so I can know exactly how many cars are coming, so I can pick a perfect location right next to my house, because I'm gonna meet up with my friends at my house, and then from there we're gonna head to the meetup spot. So far I've gotten probably like 10-15 DMs for with like a couple people coming out. So if you're really interested, I'm in Brooklyn, New York. We gotta go towards like Long Island. So if you're like in the Bronx or wherever you're at, and you're down to do like I want to do like a subscriber fan and friend meetup at that location, and then from there we can all just roll out to the spot. It's about, it says it's about like 55 minutes, so it's gonna be on a Sunday and even earlier than the time from now. So it should be probably even quicker than that, but we're gonna just be cruising over there. So if you're down for that, please let me know down below in the comments. Actually, just DM me. If you don't know my Instagram, I'll put it right here. And I'm gonna try to make a flyer, or my girl or my friend, somebody's gonna try to make a flyer so I can put up on my Instagram or my YouTube or whatever. And yeah, so please guys let me know, because about 2 weeks left. So I'm still debating if I'm gonna do it or not. If enough people show up or say they're gonna come out, then I'll do it. If it's not that many people, then I probably won't do it. But let's see what happens. So far, a couple of people already hit me up talking about they want to meet up. So I'm not too sure the situation with like if you didn't give them an email or something. I'm not sure, because it'll be pretty whack and pretty stupid if they won't let people in just because you don't have like a nice car and stuff like that, which really wouldn't make sense. And I'm pretty sure people are still gonna show up with like wanting to spectate and watch the cars and stuff, because I've been to that park before with my family, and you have to pay like it's like a thing like a ticket booth. You pay $8 and they give you a ticket to enter the parking lot, and then that's about it. I'm pretty sure they cannot just like not let you in, because you gotta pay the ticket to get in. So kind of doesn't make sense. But I know I'm gonna give the address to my friends and to whoever's gonna meet up, because obviously I want you guys to be there. I want everybody to be there, which wouldn't make sense. That would be kind of stupid of them to do. Just the only people that get invited are the people who have nice cars, and people can't watch if you have like a regular car, or if your car is down or not ready, which kind of doesn't make sense. I really don't give a fuck. I'm gonna give it to people who want to go. And yeah, so if you're down for the meetup, once we get to the meetup spot, I'll give you the address there. And you guys are gonna follow us. Let me know in Instagram, DM me. Let me know down in the comments below. Also, guys, just let me know so I can plan this right. And this will be like my first, I guess, like meetup and rollout. So it should be pretty good. So I'm pretty excited about that, guys. So yeah, let me know, guys. Peace. Yo, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.